Alright.
Hi guys, today I'm with Brayden and we're racing these little cars.
We have a G-Wagon here.
Why can I talk today?
We have a 2019 Mercedes G63 AMG, and we have the 1997 Lamborghini Countach LP here. Mini cars, and we're gonna race them.
On this platform.
We're gonna see which one falls off the platform first. Alright, ready?
Yes.
G-Wagon, Lamborghini, go! Looks like the G-Wagon fell first.
The G-Wagon won.
Alright, now we're gonna put the Countach aside. We're gonna race the G-Wagon versus the police car, okay?
Okay.
Alright, here we go. Police car, G-Wagon, go! Oh, looks like the G-Wagon took that one too.
Wait, I have a police car.
You do?
I didn't even know.
Oh, yeah. Alright, now we're gonna race the G-Wagon versus the Jeep, okay?
Okay, raise them down. Yeah.
Alright, guys, so the G-Wagon and the Jeep have always been real competitors in real life. Because they look the same. Here they are here. G-Wagon.
Quick.
Comment down below which one you guys would rather have.
Quick.
Here they two are beside each other. Then the backs. The backs of them
Quick.
look like that. Yeah. Alright, ready to race?
Quick.
Alright. Uh-oh, it's doubling.
Are my merchandise is coming soon. So be watching for that.
Alright, cool. So what's the next one we're going to be racing?
The truck versus the Ferrari.
Okay, the truck. You want the Lamborghini or the Ferrari?
What's this?
The Ferrari.
Alright, we'll use the Ferrari and what?
The truck.
G-Wagon or the Jeep?
The toilet truck.
Oh, toilet truck. Okay, guys. The toilet truck. Alright, ready to race?
Yes.
Alright, so we're going to do
Ready,
Lamborghini
set,
Countach versus toilet truck. Alright, you hold the thing and tell me when.
Okay. Ready, set, go.
Alright, Lamborghini Countach, toilet truck, go! Oh, they both lost, but let me try that again. Alright,
Wine.
Lamborghini, toilet truck, go! Toilet truck won that one. Toilet truck. I want to race the super fast thingy thing. Okay. I want to race this versus which car? The Jeep or the G-Wagon?
Jeep.
Alright, G-Wagon. You're going to go die now. Alright. Jeep. Thingy thing. I don't know what this is called. Thingy thing. Jeep. Go! They both lost. Try again.
Wine.
Oh, Thingy Thing won that one. Jeep lost. Thingy Thing won. And now we're going to race this other cool, this is like a lizard car. Lizard car versus Police car or G-Wagon?
Police.
Man, G-Wagon's getting it hard today.
Police.
Alright, police. Lizard car. Alright, ready? Here we go. Police. Lizard car. Go! Winner was lizard car. Lizard car won that one.
The winner, the drag racing car is fast.
Yeah, alright. We have the Ferrari here. Do you want to race the G-Wagon or the Toyota against it?
Oh,
Going to do Ferrari versus Toyota or Ferrari versus G-Wagon?
G-Wagon.
I don't think you have to say bye to the Toyota. So bye to Toyota. Alright, there's this. Alright, ready? G-Wagon. G-Wagon. Ferrari. Go! Looks like the Ferrari took that one. Let's try again. Mercedes. Ferrari. Go! It's still not clear. Oh, it was a tie on that one. The Ferrari and the G-Wagon tied for our last one. How about that? Peace out, guys.
Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Brayden's channel. Bye.
Bye, Crocs. That was cool. I ended it with put it on the Crocs and said bye, Crocs. You know what I mean? That was a good video, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the only thing is, we